Huh? What was that? You wanna be an art god in 2025? Alright, man. You just need to learn one technique. Just one technique. But before I tell you the technique, you gotta subscribe. I promise you, this will be the most useful technique that you will ever learn. This is a technique of the gods. It will blow your socks off. It will make you so godly that other artists around you will, I don't know, will feel jealous. Alright, so if you want to improve very fast in drawing or in art in general, what you need to do is draw boxes. This is the fundamental skill that you need to do. Draw boxes in perspective, but not any boxes, because drawing a box is like very boring. We are gonna make it fun. Alright? I want you to draw boxes with faces. So that will not only improve your drawing or your sense of three-dimensionality, but that will also improve the features that you put onto the face. Now, why to draw a box? Because the face and every part of your body, you gotta deconstruct it into a cube, okay, into simple geometric shapes. So the face is essentially a cube. It's a cube, and the cube is a simple structure that you can modify and shape as you like. So that is why everything you have to simplify, deconstruct everything into a cube or into some sort of simple shape like a cylinder or a sphere. That is why drawing the box is most important. So the process will be something like this. First, draw a box. Second, add a face to it. And third, as a bonus tip, color it. So this will not only improve your drawing skills, but if you color it, then you will also have a sense of where to put the shadows, where to put the light and all those kind of stuff, okay? So it will also improve your coloring skills. Now remember, we are not gonna draw a lot of boxes, like not spend our entire lives drawing boxes, because that's stupid. You gotta move past that. But we're gonna draw 10 boxes every day, okay? Only 10, okay? And that will increase your skill exponentially by tenfold. So only 10 boxes per day. It will hardly take you 5, maybe 10 minutes. Not even that much. Now, how do you draw a box with a face? And then you can add some angry expression, some surprised expressions onto the face also. That's it. It is so simple. Now the important thing to remember, the box should have a personality, should have a style, okay? And don't forget to add the nose also, because that is an important thing. That will essentially show. So if you're drawing a box something like this from a top-down view or looking at it from under, you need to show the nose. You need to show how the nose is placed, okay? How the bulge of the nose is coming out, all right? So that is why the nose is very important. We will also determine the center line of your box, of the face. And this is fun, drawing expression, drawing faces on boxes, okay? These are not only boxes, these are faces, okay? These are characters, okay? Each and every one of these is a character. So that's it, that is the thing, okay? And if you want, you can also color it. So 10 boxes per day will get you to god tier levels, okay? And there is also another technique which SINIX uses, is the paper face technique, okay? So you gotta imagine your face as a sheet of paper, okay? The front side of the face, and draw it like that. So this is the SINIX technique, all right? So you can just watch his video. I'll link it in the description. So he explains it wonderfully, okay? He will explain it better than me. That's it. So go draw these boxes every day, like 10 boxes per day for like 5 minutes. Okay, spend 5 minutes drawing 10 boxes every day before you start to draw, or or do anything. Okay, anyways, I hope you liked the video. Please share it with your friends and subscribe. There's a lot of stuff coming this year, and until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.